Hello guys, today I do have the iPhone 17 and I'm going to tell you how to change the app icon transparency. So here, if you hold your finger in the background, you can see that we can edit our icons. Here, if you tap edit here and tap customize, you can find clear. But we can't really manage this clearness, this transparency on this in these icons. Here in Tinted we can, but let's move to modifying the clear ones. Open settings, and now here in the search type transparency. Here, as you can see, we have reduce transparency. Tap it and enable the option to reduce the transparency. Now, as you can see, they are not transparent. Now they are. And apart from that, here if you go back and tap here on display and brightness, you can find liquid glass. If you tap it, as you can see, you can modify it if you want it clear or tinted. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.